Ruma.
Hey Fiona.
Hi. So what's the time frame for a loan approval process?
For a loan approval process, it varies because I'll tell you step-by-step process, and then it all depends upon the bank also. So let's say you come to me for a loan, for a purchase, for example, and I do the pre-qualification. I see whether I can take you to normal lenders or a different, like, depending upon how complex your situation is. You're looking for 80% loan, you're looking for 90%, 95%, or are you self-employed, not self-employed? So all this depends. So to cut the long story short, once we pre-qualify you, we then give you the products. We say, actually, sorry, another step is that we ask for the income documents, very, very importantly. I try to get all the documents before I give the products, because you never know, as I keep saying, that our process is like a house of cards. One card out and then the whole house will fall down. So we have to check each and every variable. When I say variable, meaning let's say you're a 95% buyer, but you're on a probation, for example, right?
Yeah.
And so these are the things we need to check. So once we are 100% sure that these are the banks who look after you, we give you 3 products. You give us an okay on the product, we then start the process. So we do the fact finder, we prepare the application form. Living expenses, we need to check. There's a lot of work these days. It's not like straightforward, 2-3 hours job. It's like it takes 5-6 hours to do the living expense and prepare the application and check the documents, stack the documents, etc.
Yeah.
And once everything is done, then we send you the application form with the product again,
Yeah.
shortlisted product with the repayments plus some disclaimers from the bank. And once you sign it, send it back to us. We then lodge it to the relevant bank.
Okay.
Now it depends upon the bank how much time they take for the pre-approval. Some banks take 3 days. Some banks, like literally, one of the banks is taking 2 weeks. So it all depends upon which bank we take. So when customers tell you that, oh, get me a pre-approval in 2 days, it's not possible these days. So always take some good time frame to process the loan properly.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.